Before we continue, make sure you save your work. Now, I've already saved mine at least once, so you're not going to see the browser box pop up when I click save. And I've titled this sketch interface. Now that we have, let's see, in our loop, we created a condition in which the switch state, the power or the voltage at pin 2 will be read by the variable, our switch state variable. And as we said, um, something's going to happen on a condition of if there's power there, or something will happen. If there's no power there, then something else will happen. So what we need here is an if statement. So I put my cursor here at the end of our um, digital read statement sentence here, and then hit enter. And then I will start with, let's see, if, and open parentheses, switch state. Make sure you watch your capitalization, space, and this time I'm going to put two equal signs. The reason being is because we're going to be comparing two things. Whenever you have an if statement, you're comparing two things. If you only have one equal sign, there's no comparison. You're setting a value. So two equal signs, space, and then low, all capital letters, close parentheses. Then I'm going to add a space and then curly bracket, because we're going to be adding some more, basically like a another series of another function with inside of our loop. Okay, enter, and I want to add a comment here for it. So to /, and then the button is not pressed. When the switch state is reading low, that means that there's no current flowing. In other words, the button is not being pressed. And so after this comment, in the next video, we'll write the next few lines of code that we will write will explain how we want the LEDs in our circuit to behave when the button is not being pressed.